What's up guys, I'm Tanner with OBO and I'm here to present another HubSpot Plus expert insights and hidden gems video to improve your tech stack through HubSpot apps, features, and processes. So today we are going to go over a big release that is about sensitive data. So everything that has to do with sensitive data inside of HubSpot has been kind of a pain and a lot of workaround stuff to be able to store user information depending on the industry. For a long time, the finance, insurance, and healthcare industries have really had some hard times putting all of their customer data inside of HubSpot, but it is no more. So obviously the data is always encrypted, but with all of this new sensitive data, it adds an extra layer of encryption needed in order to store sensitive information such as government issued IDs, whether or not you're an immigrant, medical records, bank account numbers, you name it. All of that stuff that's really personal and private. Now we can store that inside of HubSpot. So it covers GDPR, of course, it covers HIPAA, it covers BAA, it covers PI and PII. And it works with contacts, deals, other custom objects, and many, many more things. If you have any questions about what it works with and who it works for, you can find the links below that'll give you extensive information and everything you need to know in the terms and conditions, all the legal stuff, everything like that. A couple of things before we get started. One, you need enterprise. It won't work with any other level. 2, it doesn't work with personalization tokens or sandboxes or chatbots or playbooks. 3, the HubSpot AI will not share any of your data unless you have it in your prompts. So be sure not to add sensitive data in the prompts. Otherwise, AI will produce something relative to your sensitive data. If you have conversation intelligence or AI summaries or automatic speaker mapping, it might bring in some of that sensitive data just so you're aware. Okay, so here's how we're going to do it. We have to go to the privacy and consent setting. We go to configure sensitive data settings. We click on this. We select what sensitive data we actually want to share. So is it personal sensitive data, financial data, healthcare, medical data, and then it has the HIPAA covered entity. This is in beta right now, just so you know. So we'll check all of these boxes. We'll hit next, and then by checking on this, we turn on the sensitive data. Now remember, when you turn this on, you can't turn it off. It does not turn off. So when we turn it on, we'll click right here. Okay, so now the setting is on, as you can see right here. We'll scroll down to properties. We'll create a new sensitive data property. So when we add these types of sensitive properties, the properties still act the same way. So it's not going to change anything in your setup or in your workflows or anything like that. It just now is sensitive data and has an extra layer of encryption. So we'll create a property here. We'll just say government ID. We'll select the group. This doesn't really matter right now. And we'll say, boom, sensitive data. And you can say, yes, this contains protected health information, or it does not. Then you can select who has access to it. Super admins are the ones that always have access to change all of the information and do all that kind of stuff. But everyone could have the information available to view as a property. We hit next. It's the same as you would see in previous properties, just now with sensitive data, like I said. We'll create it. So what's cool about these properties now is you can add them to workflows. You can capture the sensitive data into forms. You can segment customers based on this data. You can have a complete understanding of who this customer is for your sales and service teams. And you can create workflows and automate processes for your sales teams based on this sensitive data. Now remember, personal data, financial data, healthcare data, HIPAA stuff, those are all different in the sensitive data category. And so when you check those boxes, it just adds those extra layers of encryption. Again, if you have any questions about what those mean and any other terms that are included and what's not included, please go to the links below. They have everything you need. It's a little extensive, but because it's really important, that's why they have it. That's all I have for you guys today. I'm Tanner with OBO. That was another HubSpot Plus expert insights and hidden gems video. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you guys next time.